question is, at each of the four corners of a square of side a charge of plus q is placed freely. What charge should be placed at the center of a square so that whole system is in equilibrium? So this is your square of side A. Let ABC is a square of side A. ठीक है. And four charge of magnitude plus q is placed at vertex A, B, C and D. ठीक है. What charge should be placed at the center? Center is O. ना? So that this system is in equilibrium. ठीक है. So if system is in equilibrium, then force on any one of the charge located at vertex will be zero. Located at the vertex will be zero. ठीक है. तो we find resultant force at charge placed at any one of the vertex, and this force be equal to zero. Then we get unknown charge q. Unknown charge q. So we study equilibrium of any one of the charge placed at the vertex. Let B. We can take any charge A, B, C, D. But here we take B. ठीक है. So how many force act on B? Charge D repel B in dB direction. Charge D repel B in dB direction. In the direction. So this is the force on B due to D. ठीक है. And charge Q also repel in the direction. ठीक है. In OB direction. So this is force on B due to. ठीक है. And charge A repel B in the direction. So this is FBA. FB. ठीक है. And charge C repel B in the direction. So this is your FBC. FBC. ठीक है. So how many force act on this charge? 1, 2, 3, 4. Force act on charge located at B. Now we find resultant of these four charges. ठीक है. And equate them 0. So we resolve these forces into two mutually perpendicular directions. Later, AB direction is x-axis and CB direction is y-axis. So now we resolve our forces in along x-axis and y-axis, x direction and y direction. ठीक है. तो यह BA is already in x direction, यह BC is already in y direction. We have to resolve FBD and FBO in x and y direction. So this is your diagonal of square. The diagonal of square makes 45 degree with this side. So this is 45, this is 45. So this angle is 45. This angle is 45. Now we take component of FBO. So component of FBO in the direction of x-axis. FBO in the direction of x-axis will be FBO cos 45. FBO cos 45. Component of vector A in theta direction in A cos theta. In opposite direction A sin theta. In 45 direction this, and in now we take component of FBD in x direction. So this become FBD cos of 45. ठीक है. Now we take component of FBO in y direction. The FBO sin 60, and in y direction BD sin 60. BD sin 60. ठीक है. तो नेट फोर्स इन x डायरेक्शन, नेट फोर्स इन x डायरेक्शन. तो Fx is equal to तो how many force act in x direction? FBO cos 45, FBD cos 45 and FBA. ना. तो these three forces are in same direction, so I did. So this become FBO cos of 45 plus FBD cos 45, FBD cos 45. प्लस एफ बी ए प्लस एफ बी ए तो राइट वैल्यू तो एफ बी ओ कूलम्ब कांस्टेंट की इनटू चार्ज ऑन बी तो चार्ज ऑन बी इज क्यू तो राइट हियर क्यू एंड चार्ज ऑन ओ इज कैपिटल क्यू राइट हियर कैपिटल क्यू अपॉन स्क्वायर ऑफ डिस्टेंस तो डिस्टेंस is half of the diagonal length OB is the half of the diagonal length is a root 2 so half of the diagonal will be a root 2 upon 2 that is a upon root 2 तो a upon root 2 whole square into cos 45 is 1 upon root 2 cos 45 is 1 upon root 2 plus FBD is K into चार्ज ऑन बी is Q ठीक है into चार्ज ऑन D Q अपॉन A स्क्वायर ठीक है प्लस FBA K into चार्ज ऑन A Q चार्ज ऑन B Q अपॉन A स्क्वायर ठीक है FBD is diagonal length right here a root 2 whole square diagonal length BD is the diagonal length now let's simplify take K common then QK is common QK upon A square is common ठीक है the QK here a square now in first term you get q upon root 2 whole square so this root 2 whole square become 2 so this become 2q upon root 2 plus here kq is common so here you get q upon 2 here you get q only q ठीक है KQ upon A square is common. So this is Fx. So for equilibrium, force in x direction and y direction will be 0. ठीक है. For equilibrium, Fx and Fy will be 0. So write Fx 0. So write value of Fx. तो KQ upon A square into so this become root 2 into Q plus 3Q by 2 ठीक है equal to 0 so root 2Q is equal to minus 3Q by 2 ठीक है so Q is equal to so Q is equal to minus 3Q upon 2 root 2 so Q is equal to Q is equal to minus 3 root 2 Q upon 4 ठीक है कूलम्ब so this is the this is your root 2 cos 45 here cos 45 1 by root 2 here root 2 ठीक है right value of cos 45 also to right value. So for equilibrium, fx is equal to 0. Fx is equal to 0. So right value. So this becomes root 2. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So 1 root 2 cancel. So let's write here root 2q plus q root 2 upon 4 plus q is equal to 0. Okay. So root 2q is equal to minus q root 2 by 4 plus 1. Okay. So q is equal to q is equal to minus q. When we divide, we get root 2 plus 1 by root 2. So q is equal to, take 4 common, so minus q by 4, 1 plus 4 root 2 upon 2. So q is equal to minus q by 4, 1 plus 2. So charge placed at center for equilibrium is given by this. Negative charge, q is negative charge. Charge placed at the center is negative. Opposite in nature of the charge placed at the vertex.